Hello there. I am John Harder, aka Wealth Wiz. Many people are coming to the internet to look for ways to make more money. And then you gotta think about what is the reason? What do they want to accomplish in life? Why are they looking for a way to make more money? And there are a number of things that could come to mind. Maybe you want to maybe you want to pay off your house. Maybe you want to just become debt free. Maybe you want to have a vacation more often, or maybe you just simply want to have a vacation that you haven't been able to afford. Maybe you want a better vehicle, or just simply pay off the vehicle that you have. Or maybe you love your job, but at the same time you just need a little bit more income to be able to pay the bills. The reasons really could almost be endless. But then you come online and you start looking around. You find some programs. You start joining programs, and you put some money into some of them. And after a while, you wonder. After trying a few different ones, you wonder, is it actually ever worth doing anything online? And so on. Why am I even talking this way? Well, I've been a marketer for not 30, for 16 years, maybe going on 17 years now, that I have been an online marketer. And some programs I've made money with, others, well, it'd probably been best I had never come across them. And of course, I haven't put money into all of the programs. But the fact is, many of the programs that are on the internet there as an opportunity really aren't that great as far as really generating an income. You can maybe make a few bucks, a few extra bucks each month. Maybe you can make maybe a couple of hundred or something. I don't know, but most of them, they're just really not set up to really actually pay off your car or get out of debt or whatever kind of thing. Not where you can make, say, quantum leaps forward. Most of them just aren't that. And yet I think you would agree with me, if you've been looking online for a while, and if you've been involved in some of them, you'd probably agree with me to say the least, that many of those programs, they do claim that you're going to make a lot of money. Yeah, you're gonna maybe not really get rich overnight, but yeah, you'll make a lot of money here, kind of thing. And then you get involved, and you buy products. Your products pile up on the table. You refer a bunch of people, and they cancel about as fast as you can refer them. Those kind of things, and after a while, you realize it just doesn't seem to work out. You end up canceling. And so you can look for another opportunity, or another job, or whatever, right? Because the fact is, you still need more money, which you weren't able to make. So you got to ask yourself a question: what are the qualities? What should you really look for in a legitimate business, you know, an online business, as it were, that is going to fit the bill to actually, you know, where you can actually make the money, that is legitimate, you know? Well, you see, most programs, you know, well, I know that very many advertising programs do have the owners are on the website and so on, and it's not to say that the website isn't performing as what they're saying. Of course, I believe many of them are, and they are good programs as far as generating some traffic. But now, when you're thinking about actually creating a, you know, a business that will allow you to become debt free, you've got to look for something a little bit more than that. Okay, so then the question is, well, what's the criteria? You know, what should you really look for? Well, I've been in programs where, you know, they looked like a program that you should be able to make some money fairly, you know, without taking too much time, and yet at the same time, they appear to be quite legitimate, especially now that we're in the cryptocurrency ages. Well, we got to think about that, you know, where, you know, what is it in the crypto? Why are there some programs that, you know, claim that they're doing the trading for you? Because of course you're brand new to this space. You don't feel confident. You don't think that you can really actually do the trading, and so they're going to do the trading for you, and mining, and, you know, all of these things. And so then well, then you got to put money in. And so you do that, you put some money in, and then it looks really good for a little while, and it's like, wow, you know what? I'm actually making money here, you know? And so you try to accumulate your money, and next thing they disappear. You know, next thing the site, all of a sudden the site is gone, and you can't access it. Well, and the thing is, you never knew who owned it. There was never anything about the owners or the people operating it. You had no idea who these people were. So you've got nobody to contact or anything, you know. And so, you know, that kind of suggests pretty strongly, in my opinion at least, you know, in my mind, that when you're going to join a business where you will likely need to put some money in, and maybe it's only a very little bit required, I don't know. I have put quite a bit of money into some of them, and and they ran off with it, you know, and it was gone. Well, what if there was, you know, a program where the owners, where you know, you can contact the owners. You can have conversations with the owners of the website, and there is literally proof of people actually making money, getting paid, people having, you know, creating an income. Some of the people within a few weeks, they start paying all their bills with it, and things like that. Now, when you hear that kind of thing, that sounds very legitimate, you know, and that is what is available, you know. There is available, and this is what I've gotten involved in, you know, and so I'm not going to go into much detail here. If this is something that you're looking for, If it's something that would interest you, well, you can, if you're watching this in Facebook, then just message me and ask me about it. However, if you're watching this on YouTube, well, you can visit the links below and check it out more. And again, by all means, well, contact me if you have any questions about it that you would like to, you'd like to ask me, and I'll reply to your questions, right? Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that if you are looking for something, and I hope that this will help you in some way. All right, thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.